Hi, this is Jenny from the Ukulele Sisters with a lesson on Jingle Bells chord melody for ukulele. Now for this song I'm going to use a combination of several techniques. I'm going to pinch, and since the first chord is 3 notes, it's the open, open, open. I do thumb, middle, index, and I just pinch all 3. And I put the most energy into my melody note, which is the second string. And I'm using middle finger to pinch that. So I go pinch, single, pinch, pinch, single, pinch, pinch, pinch only 2, and then the 1 note, and then strum 3 chords. Now I'm at the F chord, but I'm not playing this melody note. It's only 3 notes. Same thing with the pinch, single, pinch, single. This G7, the E is kind of a note that resolves, but you still get to play it. It sounds cool. Third line's the same as the first. Pinch, single, pinch, pinch, single, pinch, strum, 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 pinch, single, pinch, single, pinch, single, pinch, single, single, pinch, single, pinch. Now that was the easy page. Second page is way more tricky. So since you have to go from the 3rd fret to the 7th, I put my first finger on the 3rd fret. Pinch 3 strings that way. And go to the 7th, 5th, 3rd, and then now strum, strum, the C chord. But I'm keeping my first finger here so that it's easier to reach these higher notes. Strum, strum, strum. Pinch. The way I get to the 8th fret and I don't miss is I know it's 1 fret past the dot. And I love to use my pinky. If you don't like a pinky, just do that finger. I'm okay with pinky, so I'm going to use it. I would probably miss if I did that finger, the ring finger. A lot of people don't like to use a pinky in the left hand. Later you will have to when you do bar chords, so I do, but if you're not comfortable, use a different finger. But no, it's 1 fret past the 7th fret dot. 7th fret makes it easier than you do that. G chord is just 3 strings, and it's all pinched. Strum, strum, strum. This line's the same as the first line on the page. Strum, strum, strum. F chord. 1 past. Come back down. Then you just stay in one place because you're staying on the same chord. It's actually quite easy there because you don't have to move your left hand at all. You can keep it in the shape and just pinch the notes you need. C, strum, G, strum. So I'm playing C and then strumming. Then make a G shape and play the G and strum it. Then I'm back to the first page. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. It sounds really cool. If you're not yet comfortable with the pinch and the strum, you can play the whole thing with your thumb in your right hand, which would be how I would go ahead and learn it. It's a little harder to stop, because to do only 3 strings and then come to rest. Be a little bit more careful. And if you're doing it with your thumb like this for your right hand, you won't, if you're on a soprano or a concert ukulele that has a high G tuning, you won't have as much control of the dynamics as you will with the pinch, and you don't have as much differentiation of the sound, but it still sounds really cool. So you can go ahead and do it whatever way you want and add some of the more complicated techniques when you become more advanced. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much.